Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading Adventure Begins at Your Library for July 23rd, 2024, Part 1. Show the World, written by Angela Dalton, illustrated by Daria Peoples. Look around. Can you see the many spaces, places, and ways to show the world all that you can be? What will you do, or say, or make to express who you are? Will you find a faded backdrop that you colorfully transform? Splash! A space that you fill with sound like a heart-pounding bass. Thump, thrump, thump, bump, rump, bump. Or notes that flutter like hummingbird wings. Ting, ting, ting-a-ting, rat-a-tat-a. Perhaps it's a space that you fill with a melody. A shimmering soprano, a smooth alto, where your words can be sung, la 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 la. Or spoken, how I feel is so real, I need y'all to listen. Say it, yes sir, word, speak it. Maybe you're the instrument, telling stories with your own unique dance moves. A twirl, a leap, a glide, or the fiercest of poses. Shoom, bam. Maybe your creative space is blank, patiently waiting for you to fill it with powerful text. Scribble, 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 type, 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 screech, screech, screech. Language that makes you feel something, that makes you think something, that makes you do something. Together we are stronger. Men and pil che palu. Juntos somos más fuertes. Or perhaps it's a place where your sense of taste can turn everyday ingredients into something extraordinary. Chop, 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 chop. Slice, slice, slice. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Deliciosa. Are you the canvas? A work of art with a razor-sharp fresh cut? Beaded braids or bold streaks in your hair? Snip, snip, snip. Spray. Flip. Maybe your voice comes alive through fabric. Your story gathered, formed, stitched, and patterned. A hint of sparkle tucked here and there. Swish, shash, shoosh. Is your expression captured in a flash? Images that catch your eye, that you share with pride and treasure forever? Maybe you build out of this world inventions. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Beep bop boop bop. Whoa! Or collect things found in the world around you. That's tight. Is there a place where you shine? A space you fill with all the things that inspire you? Somewhere you can sit quietly while tiny seeds of ideas swirl around in your head until one plants itself and begins to grow. What can I do today? And grow and grow. Then one day, ta-da! Are you ready to do or say or create something? Do you know what it will be? There is no rush. Take your time. But when you're ready, show the world all that you can be. The end. We're going to make a craft stick kazoo. Your craft-to-go kit includes 2 craft sticks. They're large ones. 3 rubber bands. 2, 3. And 2 pieces of a straw. 1, 2. And what we're going to do is you're going to need some markers so you can decorate your craft sticks. I'm using Sharpies. You can use whatever kind you want. I'm just going to lightly decorate mine. You can get as intricate as you like. Now you only have to decorate one side of each craft stick because the other part will be inside and you won't be able to see it. Let me do the same over here. And once you decorate the whole thing, it'll be time to put it together. And that's the tricky part. So I'm gonna need you to watch carefully. Okay, this is how I'm decorating mine. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a rubber band and we're gonna put it on the one that's gonna be the bottom. And we just put it on so it covers it vertically like this. Then we take the straws, we put one under the rubber band, and one goes over top of the rubber band. And we stick this on, move that in a bit, and we can do that later. You need to get the rubber band to hold the sticks together, but not too tight because it's gotta be able to vibrate the rubber band underneath. So hopefully that's not too tight. And the other one goes on top of the rubber band. And once again, we put the craft stick on, wrap the rubber band around it. Okay. Now you have a little space in between, that's where we're gonna blow. And when we blow it, it makes a sound. So here we go. And that's all there is to it. Craft stick kazoo.